My name is Craig Buckingham. My wife Penny and I took this old 1933 barn and made it into a wedding event center. When we started this project, my first concern that when we had a wedding outside on the balcony, are they going to be able to hear? Are they going to be able to incorporate their wireless mics and be able to go through the walls and stuff? And the guys there made some suggestions, and they brought us a fabulous system of television, speakers, mics, and they were able to go through this whole building so we don't lose a sound no matter where you're at. I think that is going to be the key that will make this Palace Event Center a success. They did such a wonderful job putting it together that I know it's going to last. Nebraska Furniture Mart Smart Home Services was the right choice for us. They did an excellent job, and I would tell anybody that's wanting to do something like this, they are the people to contact.